In this guide, you'll learn about the key pages in Starbrix and how to navigate to and between them. You'll also understand the difference between your personal account, where you manage your own projects and tasks, and your organization pages, where you collaborate with others on shared company projects. These pages let you view and monitor projects, tasks, to-dos, and events from different perspectives, such as a member's workspaces, customers, suppliers, or the entire organization's point of view. You'll also discover that each of these central pages contains several different views, and you'll learn how to find and use them effectively. Let's start with the menu in the top left corner. If you're a member of an organization, this menu lets you switch between your personal account and your organization. When you click your name, you'll move to your personal account, where you'll see all your own private projects, tasks, to-dos, and events. You'll also see any organization projects, tasks, to-dos, and events that involve you as a member. They'll remain visible here in your personal account for as long as you're an active member of that organization. To go back, just open the same menu again and select your organization. And if you belong to more than one organization, you'll find them all listed here. Now let's open the Demo Corp organization. When you do, Starbrix automatically opens your member page inside that organization. In the home view, you'll find all your ongoing and upcoming activities, projects, tasks, to-dos, and events that involve you and are still ahead or not yet completed. On your member page, you can move between different views using the menu on the left. For example, you can switch to the home view, all current and future activities, the projects view, the tasks view, the to-dos view, the calendar, the Kanban view, or the dashboard view. Each of these views contains activities that involve you as a project or task manager, a person responsible, or a participant. The same project or task can of course appear for several members at once, depending on who's involved. The projects view also includes several alternative views, depending on what you want to see. By default, you'll see current and future projects, but in the upper right corner you can change to all projects, completed projects, rejected projects, archive projects, or project templates. The same logic applies to tasks. You can easily switch between all tasks, current and future tasks, completed tasks, rejected, or archived tasks. You'll also find your to-dos, with similar view options in the upper right corner, all to-dos, current and future to-dos, or completed to-dos. If you deselect your name in the menu, Starbrix switches to the organization page. This page shows everything that belongs to the entire organization, all ongoing and upcoming projects, tasks, to-dos, and events, no matter who they concern. What and how much you see here depends on your permissions. On the organization page, you'll find a menu on the left, just like on the member page. From here, you can explore the organization's projects, tasks, to-dos, calendar, dashboards, resources, settings, and billing. In the Projects section, you can view all organization projects, and in the upper right corner, choose between different views, all projects, current and future, completed, rejected, archived projects, or project templates. The same applies to tasks. You can switch between all tasks, current and future, completed, rejected, or archived tasks. You'll also find to-dos for the entire organization, with similar view options in the upper right corner, all to-dos, current and future, or completed to-dos. The calendar shows all events across the organization, and the dashboard gives you an overview of its overall activity. Under Resources, you can view and manage all members, customers, suppliers, and workspaces, and create new ones directly from here. The Settings section contains all general organization settings. And finally, the Billing section gives you access to your subscription summary and billing address. Next, let's look at the Members menu. Here you can see everyone who belongs to the organization, and you can also add new members directly from this menu. If you select someone, for example Anna Muller, Starbrix opens Anna's member page. Now all the projects, tasks, to-dos, and events you see involve her, and you can move between different views on her page using the menu on the left. To return, Simply deselect her to go back to the organization page, or select another member instead. Now let's explore the workspace pages. This organization has 4 product development, customer projects, IT projects, and bug fixes. You can also add new workspaces directly from this menu to organize different types of activities in one centralized place. When I select customer projects, the view changes, and at the top, you can see that we're now on the customer projects page. The menu you see on the left, projects, tasks, to-dos, calendar, Kanban board, dashboards, and members, now concerns this workspace. So, when is a project or task visible on a workspace page? It appears there when that workspace has been selected for the activity. For example, when customer projects is chosen as the workspace for this project. The benefit of workspace pages is that they help you organize and manage your organization's activities in a clear and structured way. Each workspace gathers everything related to a specific area, like product development or customer projects. This makes it easy to focus, stay organized, and collaborate smoothly, since everyone working in that area can quickly find all relevant information and updates in one place. Next are the customer pages. Here you can see all customers linked to the organization, and you can create new ones at any time. Let's open Atlantic Trade. This page shows all projects, tasks, to-dos, and events related to Atlantic Trade. Every view, projects, tasks, to-dos, and calendar, now displays only what concerns this customer. So, when is a project or task visible on a customer page? It appears here when that customer has been selected for the activity. For example, when Atlantic Trade is chosen as the customer for a specific project or task. The benefit of the customer page is that it brings everything connected to one customer together in one place. You instantly get an overview of all ongoing and completed work, upcoming deadlines, and any related communication, making it easy to follow progress and manage your customer relationships more efficiently. Finally, let's look at suppliers. You can add suppliers to your organization account and navigate to them in the same way. Let's open Eurotech Solutions. Here I can see all projects, tasks, to-dos, and events connected to this supplier. Starbrix knows which projects belong to which supplier because, in each project, there's a supplier field. When you assign a supplier to a project, that project automatically appears in the supplier's view. Before we finish, let's look at one last feature, the quick search at the top of the resource selector. Here you can search for a member, workspace, customer, or supplier directly by name. This is especially useful when you have a large organization with dozens of workspaces and hundreds of customers or members. Just start typing, and Starbrix instantly suggests matching results, letting you jump straight to the right view in seconds. So to summarize, the navigation menus in the upper left corner let you move effortlessly between your personal account and your organizations. And within an organization between members, workspaces, customers, and suppliers, you can choose to view everything on the organization level or focus on one specific person, workspace, or partner. And with the search field, you can find anything instantly. Remember, a project or task can appear on several pages, for example, on a customer page, member pages, workspace pages, or supplier pages, depending on which ones have been linked to that activity. This makes Starbrix highly transparent and keeps collaboration easy, since everyone involved can instantly see the same information from their own perspective.